Beautiful. Look at this gorgeous bridge. Hello ladies and gents, welcome to another vlog as we are cruising on this gorgeous Tuesday. This morning it was like 40 and now it's like 60, so the weather forecast came true and now I'm a pig in shit as I coast my way to Manhattan. That's right, I am going to Midtown Manhattan. Why? Good question. I gotta take care of some personal shit, some family shit, you know. And we're on the 620, obviously, because why not? I'm still a little bit unnerved as to how reliable this baby is, because this is probably like my third or fourth ride after the fueling got fixed and whatnot. So I'm not like, what are you fucking doing? So I'm not super trusty of this good old boy, which is all right, which is okay. Go to Manhattan. But yeah, like I say, like I keep threatening. Oh gosh, this is gross. I don't want to spray up my ass. Yeah, I'm gonna start fondling this baby, so it's gonna be high time to put this bike away. So I need to put a couple of miles on it, you know? Why not? Why the hell not? Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at this gorgeous bridge. Oh man, that's my office right there. See that black sign? Dumbo offices. I'm in that building. What a fucking joy. I'm just cruising in the middle of the goddamn bridge. FDR is moving, but I don't think we're gonna utilize it. The temperature, man. The temperature is the most delicious. Popo over there, so let's just keep it down to the speed limit. Gorgeous Manhattan. Yes sir. Where's the Popo? I don't even see him. Here we go. Chinatown. I could probably go this way, why not? I just had the most delicious Cubano sandwich. It was fucking massive. A massive Cubano. So I'm a little bit full, if I may so say. That said, I'm gonna have to push through. Two Wheel Tuesday today. I don't have the energy, I don't have the willpower, but I will definitely visit for a minute. After all these errands, oh man, this mirror needs to be tightened. But after these errands I gotta do, I have to actually it's alright, that might be a cop with a weird license plate like that. No, it's probably not a cop. But I have to go to the gym. What the fuck, bros? Keys. Yeah, I have to go to the gym. And I think I might, depending on how I feel once I get home in about an hour and a half. If I'm feeling good, I'll go. If I'm not feeling good, if I'm feeling a little tired or tough, we're gonna have to what are you fucking doing, you fucking moron? Have to make sure I don't get that red light camera. It's fucking weirdo. That person just legit stopped in the middle of it. Look at that purple little truck. Kind of adorable. First Avenue. We need third, but first will do. First is fine. This is perfect. I wanted a nice chill ride. Like normally I'm like spicing it up and whatnot, but today I really wanted a nice chill ride. Nice relaxing cruise. So I can digest the damn food. My belly's full of it. Alright, I need to get ahead of this van. This van is too big. Can't see what's ahead. Beautiful, gorgeous, sweetness. Man, this weather is a real treat. Nice turn signal, you fucking muppet. See what I'm saying? That's why I don't give them any respect, these taxis, because they don't give half a fuck. Not even a quarter. Nah, these mirrors, man, gotta adjust them. They is sloppy. Cute Beamer, bruh. Adorable Beamer. Fucking loose ass shit. Half a mile. Are we recording? Good. Yeah, not a very exciting vlog per se, but very real. This is really what happens. This is truly what happens on these streets. People in t-shirts. Oh man, it's gorgeous out. It's truly fucking gorgeous out. It's a really beautiful, beautiful time right now. Alright, I'm gonna take a left because this is a bit too thick for my taste. Okay, all right. Left over here. Can we do it? 28th, maybe? No? The car broken or something? Whoa. All right, okay. Good Lord. It's a real mess over here. Why are people so fucking crazy? What is this? A school of some sort, an institute. Oh, right, it's a hospital. I know what it is. There we go. We'll go left on 29th. Nice move, brother. Power move. I gotta respect it. I gotta respect it. Take a little left. Boom, boom. Little speed camera, which we do not trigger. Little BMX boy. I like it. This guy is a little unsturdy. The boy is a little bit unsturdy. Here we go. The Chick-In. How much you want to bet they sell fried chicken sandwiches or something? Nerds. And here we are. We have made it. We are 2 blocks away from the destination. Today 11:30. Yeah, we're good. Definitely after 11:30 at this point, I'd say. There we go. We did it. We did it, boys and girls. We did it. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Thank you for watching.